Good morning, students. Now we discuss the optimal solution of transportations. There are two methods for finding the optimal solution. One is the stepping stone method. Second is the MODI method. MODI means modified distribution method. Modified distribution method. The another name of the MODI method is the UV method. UV method or MODI method, both are equal. MODI method, both are equal. Now we are discuss how to solve for the optimal solution. For example, the given problem is there. Write down the first one. Find the optimal solution of the TPP. TPP means transportation problem. Find the optimal solution of the TPP. Generally, in the MODI method or whatever be optimal solution, we use the warm method. We use the warm method or northwest corner rule or matrix minimum method. We use any one method for finding the optimal solution. First, the given problem as here. Write down. The given problem is supply 40, 60 and 50, and the demand is 20, 30 and 50. 20, 50, 30, 50, 50. The requirement and supply, whatever it may be, row and column from 2 to whatever it may be, 4, 6, 8, 8, 6, 8, 6, 7, 5, 7, 6, 6. 7, 6, 6. First we check it is the balanced TP or not. First we check it is the balanced TP or not. Right on. Supply total. Supply is equal to 40, 60, 50. Supply is equal to 40, 60, 50 is equal to 150. Demand is equal to 20, 30, 50, 50 is equal to 150. Therefore, it is the balanced TP. Next we find the IBF method, initial basic feasible solution method. For finding the IBF, we use for the three methods. First one is the northwest corner rule method. Second one is the least cost method. Third one is the warm method. Now I am using the warm method. Vogel's approximation method. After finding the warm method, the allocations are like that. First one is the 20 and the 20. Here 10, 50, 10 and 40. So 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. So problem is the 40. First one is the 40, correct. Second one is the 10 plus 50 is equal to 60. Second one is also 60, correct. Third one, 10 plus 40. 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. Yeah. Third one is also correct. For column wise, same as for the column wise. First column is the 20. Second column is the 30. First column is the 20. Second column is the 30. And the third column, 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. And the fourth column is also 50. So 50 and 50. Correct. Now we go for the modified distribution method. MODI method. For entering the MODI method, the first step is check it is the degeneracy or not. First we check it is the degeneracy or non-degeneracy. So I will already discuss in the degeneracy and non-degeneracy. First, what is the meaning of degeneracy? Degeneracy meanings row plus column minus 1 is not equal to number of allocation. Then we say that is the degeneracy problem. Now, how many rows there are? 3 rows. How many columns there are? 4 columns. Minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 4 is equal to 6, 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Second, number of allocations. Check here number of allocations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, number of allocations is also 6. Therefore, the given problem whatever maybe the given is the problem is a non-degeneracy problem. The problem is a non-degeneracy problem. The problem is a non-degeneracy problem. If number of row plus column minus 1 is not equal to number of allocations, we introduce a least cost epsilon. We introduce a least cost epsilon for unoccupied cells. We introduce a least cost unoccupied cells. Introduce a least cost epsilon for unoccupied cells to make a balance. Assuming first row as the mu1, second row as the mu2, and third row as the mu3. Assuming mu1, u1, u2, u3. Column as a v1. Assuming column as a v1 and the v2, v3 and v4. Assuming column u1, v2, v3 and v4. First, assuming u1 is always 0. First we assuming u1 is always 0. Next, how to find for v1, v2, v3 and v4? Let us discuss. First, Cij cost matrix is equal to ui plus vj. Whenever the allocations is there, just we go for that cost only. First cost is the 4. Write it down. First cost 1, C11 is equal to 4. So what is the U1? C11 is equal to U1 plus V1. Generally, C11 is equal to U1 plus V1. My formula is a Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj. I mean row, J mean column. So C11, first row, first column. Allocation value of the cost is the 4. Allocation cost is the 4. Allocation cost is the 4. Right, Adam? C11 is equal to 4, U1 plus V1. C11 means U1 plus V1. First, what is the assuming V1 value? U1 value is equal to 0. Therefore, 4 is equal to 0 plus V1. Therefore, V1 is equal to 4. Next, C12. Write down here. C12 is equal to U1 plus V2. Because I mean first row, second one J means column. U1 plus V2. So what is the cost of the C12? C12 cost is equal to 6 here. 6 is equal to, U1 is equal to 0 and V2. Therefore, V2 is equal to 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Therefore, we get for the V2 is equal to 6 here. Next corresponding, we go for the next cost is next allocation here. That may be C23. C23 means we don't know U2 value, we don't know V3 value. Next, I will go for this one. What is this one? C32. C32 means U3 plus V2. Because we get the value of V2, that's why I will go for the C32. My allocation is there, so C32, third row, second column, C32. The C32 cost is the 7. So I will mention the 7 here. 7 is equal to, I don't know U3 value, so same as it is U3 value. We know the V2 value. What is the V2 value? V2 value is equal to 6. Therefore, U3 value is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1. We get u3 value is equal to 1. u3 value is equal to 1 here. Substitute the 1 here. Substitute the 1 here. Next I will go for this one. I will go for this one because I get the u3 value. Next I will find for the v3 value. What is this one? This is the third row, third column. C33, 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 C33 is equal to u3 plus v3, u3 plus c3, u3 plus v3. So what is the value of the c33 cost value? Cost value is equal to 6. Cost value is equal to 6 and u3 value is equal to 1 no, plus we don't know v3 value. Therefore v3 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore v3 value is equal to 5 here. v3 value is equal to 5 here. Next I will go for this one because I get for the v3 value. Next I will go for the this one. This cost is there, we don't know v3 value and v1 value. So I will get for this one. What is this one? Cost of second row, third column. C23, 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 C23. C23. C23 means u2 plus v3. What is the cost of C23? The cost of C23 is equal to 6 and the v3 value is equal to 5. So substitute 6 here and v3 value is equal to 5 here. Therefore u2 is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Substitute u2 value. Substitute u2 value. u2 value is equal to 1. In the final we get only for the u4 value and this is the 1 value there. What is the cost? C24. C24. C24 means u2 plus v4. v2 plus v4. So what is the cost of C24? Cost of the C24 is equal to 7. u2 value is equal to 1. So write down here 7 is equal to 1. We don't know v4 value. Therefore finally v4 is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 here. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 here. That is we get for the uv values. uv values. The final table is like that. First one, u1 is equal to 0, v2 is equal to 1, u3 is equal to 1, v1 is equal to 4, v2 is equal to 6, v3 is equal to 5 and v4 is equal to 6. Now roughly I will explain again. Assuming u1 is equal to 0, assuming u1 is equal to 0, so 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Next 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Next 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Next 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Next 5 minus 6 is equal to 1. Next 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. This is the one method. Next I will explain the previous. Like that we are fine for the u and v. We are fine for the u and v. Next I will go for the dij. Dij. This is the capital Dij or small dij. Both are equal. Dij is equal to Cij minus ui plus vj. Ui plus vj. For unoccupied cell. Unoccupied. For unoccupied cells. Unoccupied cells. For unoccupied cells. For unoccupied cells. Unoccupied cells means there is a no allocations is there. So 8, 7, 6, 8, 5 and 8 like that. This is the unoccupied cells. Whenever the no allocations is there, that may be treated as a unoccupied cells. First one, what is the unoccupied cells here? 1, 2, 3. This is the row 3. Write down, sorry, row 1. D13. D13. D13 means C13 minus U1 plus V3. U1 plus V3. C13, what is the cost of C13? Is the 8 here. So 8 minus, what is the U1 value? U1 value is equal to 0, and the V3 value is equal to 5. V3 value is equal to 5. First we write for the what is the values of first one. U1 is equal to 0, U2 is equal to 1, and the U3 also is equal to 1. Next, V1 is equal to 4, V2 is equal to 6, V3 is equal to 5, V4 also 6. V4 also 6. Next is the so 5, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. They may be positive value. Is the good. Next we go for the D14. D14 means C14 minus, first is the row, second is the column. C1 at a U1. U1 plus V4. U1 plus V4. What is the cost of C14? C14 cost is also 8. So 8. U1 cost is equal to 0. What is the V4 cost? V4 is equal to 6 here. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Positive value. Positive value. Next D22. D22 means second row, sorry, first column. D21 means C21 minus U2 plus V1. U2 plus V1. C21 cost is 6. C21 cost is equal to 6 minus, what is the U2 value here? U2 is equal to 1. U2 is equal to 1 plus, and the V1 value is 4. V1 value is 4. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Positive value. Positive value. Next we go for the D22. D22. Second row, second column. D22. D22 is equal to C22 minus U2 plus V2. U2 plus V2. So C22 cost is the 8 here. C22 cost is the 8 minus U2. U2 cost is 6. V2 cost is 1. So 1, 6. So 1 plus 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. They may be positive. They may be positive. Next, we go for D31. D31 and D34. There 2 is there. D31. D31 means D31 means C31 minus U3 plus V1. U3 plus V1. C31 cost is the 5. C31 cost is the 5 minus U3 and V1 value. So what is the U3 value? U3 value is equal to 1 and V1 value is equal to 4. So 1 plus 4. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Next D34. D34 means C34 cost of 34 minus U3 plus V4. U3 plus V4. The cost of the C4 is equal to 8. 8. The cost of the C34 is 8. U3 value, what is the U3 value? U3 value is equal to, so what is the U3 value? U3 value is equal to 1 and V4 value is equal to 6. So 1 plus 6 we can write for the 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So positive. Therefore all Dij's greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Hence the solution is optimal. Optimal means whatever the IBF is the we are find for the IBF is the final solution. Whatever we find for the IBF means warm method, we are finding for the warm method is the final table of the optimal solution table. Write down the optimal TP cost. The optimal TP cost is 20 into 4 plus 20 into 6 plus 20 into 4 20 into 6 plus 10 into 6 plus 50 into 7 plus 10 into 7 plus 10 into 7 plus 10 into 7 plus 40 into 6 24 ja 80 plus 26 ja 120 10 6 ja 60 5 7 ja 350 10 7 ja 70 46 ja 240 is your answer. Bye.